Hey guys, welcome to our channel and today we're making a slime. So let's start. So what you need? You need white glue, a bowl and a toothpick or skewer. And then what do you need? You need shaving cream. So let's make a slime. First take the bowl. Pour some white glue into the bowl. Then after putting some white glue of your choice, how much you need, we pour this kind. Now add the shaving cream. Don't add lot of shaving cream, add a little squeezed shaving cream. One squeeze of shaving cream if you have one bowl of glue. So let's mix them together and let's see. Wow, it turned to slime. Let's check. It will be so sticky first at all, but it will be clear. First rub in your hand. Here's the slime. Now rub in your hand. So we made a slime earlier, and this is this, like a chewy candy or any kind of thing that I can never expect. So let's have the slime, and here are both of slime. This is the earlier one, and this is the now we made the one. So now let's play some with this and it will be less. Okay, we'll play later with the new slime. First let's play with the old slime. My hand is too sleepy. The slime sleeps as well. And here's the slime. This slime is totally works. Hope you guys like the video. If you don't like the video, so get a boo. And if you like the video, so get a like.